We're here in the mountains working on a documentary film about a group of climbers on an expedition. Our 2-week shoot is based out of a camp over 10 miles from the nearest road, and all of our supplies came in via horseback. Each day we are capturing content for the film, magazine articles, and other media. To keep all of our kit charged and ready, we brought in a Jackery solar panel, the Solar Saga 100. To store power, the Jackery Explorer 500 power station takes the charge from the solar panels.
The thing that I think has been super badass is this new solar setup that we have.
Man, it's a game changer. I mean, we're using walkie-talkies, we have an inReach for emergencies.
For myself, being a photographer, I'm gonna end up taking hundreds, if not thousands of frames while I'm up here for 2 weeks. So being able to recharge those batteries, it's critical.
All day and the sun's out, these panels are just charging power, loading it into the station for us, and then we can come back and I can charge all my drone batteries, I can charge my phone, I can charge my camera.
We're all trying to take a little bit of content in some way or another, either with cameras or phones and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, Jared, keep going, buddy.
Oh, yeah. That's good. We like this. We like this a lot.
This is great.
This is awesome.
Having fresh batteries and being able to go up there and photograph, it's fantastic.
The Jackery stuff is the real deal.
I know I can shoot as much content on the first day as I can on the last day. Without that Jackery solar panel and charging kit, we just wouldn't have been able to make this happen.